Alright, so number 1 says draw a triangle with 3 acute angles and 2 congruent sides and also classify the triangle. So 3 acute angles and 2 congruent sides. So I would go ahead, think about my sides. Go ahead, think about your sides. You need 2 that are the same length. And I made an acute angle up here, but now the bottom ones also have to be acute. So let's make sure that happens. So I think that worked. What would I need? So my acute part is correct. What would I need to prove that there are 2 congruent sides? There's something you have to do. What would you have to do?
The 2 tick marks.
Yep, so you'd put a dash here and a dash here. All right, this now proved, whether or not we have a ruler out, that we're just saying these 2 sides are congruent. Secondly, we need to label it by its angles. So again, your options are acute, where all 3 are acute. You could have obtuse, where 2 are acute, but the 1 is obtuse, or a right triangle, which means you have 1 right angle and the other 2 are acute. So what one would this be by its angles?
Acute.
Yeah, so you'd have acute, and now we need to do it by its sides. If there are no congruent sides, that's called scalene. If there are 2 congruent sides, it's isosceles, and 3 congruent sides would be equilateral.
Isosceles.
Yeah, isosceles. All right, last one. Find the measure of angle T in triangle RST if the measure of angle R is 37 degrees and the measure of angle S is 55 degrees. What is one thing that we really want to know about measuring angles, or sorry, measuring triangles? Yep.
They all equal 180 degrees.
180 degrees. So I need to know T plus the 37 plus the 55 is all going to equal the 180. So I would combine the 37 and 55. What do you get for that?
92.
92. And then what do we do to get rid of the 92? Yep.
Subtract 92 and subtract 92 from the 180.
And what is, I'm going to write it down here so you can see it better. What is the measure of angle T's in degrees then? 180 minus 92?
180.
Nope.
Oh, no, sorry, no. Right.
Yep.
88 degrees.
Yep, 88 degrees. All right.